Hello everyone, my name is Laika. You can call me Teacher Laika or Miss Laika. Can you say it again? Miss Laika, that's correct. Teacher Laika, that's perfectly correct. What is your name? Oh, Miles. It's pleasure to meet you, Miles. How about you? What is your name? Oh, Pim. It's nice to meet you, Pim. How are you today, guys? Are you happy or sad? Oh, it's good to hear that. You are happy. I am happy too. Before I reveal my lesson for you today, I'm going to show you something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terrain! Now, what is this? Bus. Can you say it again? Bus. Good job. How about this? Car. Can you say it again? Car. Very good. How about this? Boat. Can you say it again? Boat. Very good. How about this? Shipped. Can you say it again? Shipped. Perfect. How about this? Helicopter. Can you say it again? Helicopter. Good job. How about this? Plane. Can you say it again? Plane. Very good. Or you can say airplane. An airplane. Say it again. An airplane. Good job. Now, do you have any idea what would be our lesson for today? Anyone? Oh, you. Can you please stand up and say your name, please? Lily. What would be our lesson for today? Transportation. Very good. Everybody clap your hands. All right. So today we are going to learn about transportation. Can you repeat after me? Transportation. Say it again. Transportation. Very good. Now, as you can see in this picture, there are different types of vehicles, right? You can see vehicles on the road, on the water, and in the air. So now, what is this? Bus. How about this? Car. Very good. Bicycle. Train. Airplane. Truck. Ship. Motorcycle. Taxi. Tram. Subway and helicopter. Good job. Now you know our lesson today is all about transportation. But do you know, guys, that the mode of transportation can be divided into three main categories. First is land transportation. Can you repeat after me? Land transportation. Very good. Next is water transportation. Say it again. Water transportation. And the last one is air transportation. Say it again. Air transportation. Very good. Good job. Now, let's learn first about the land transportation. Land transportation is a transportation of goods and passengers on the road. Do you know? The vehicles that travels on the road. It is a transportation of goods like food and passengers like people that travels on the road from one place to another. All right, so give me an example. Car, very good. Taxi, good job. Bus, oh, bus. Do you know the bus is the very easiest way, and most of the people travel using bus because it's cheaper and also it's convenient, and also you can people can use the one, can see that one anywhere. So it's fun also to travel with a bus. Students and workers, they travels using bus. Now let's moving on to the water transportation. Water transportation is a transportation of goods and passengers on the bodies of water. Can you give me example? Very good. A boat. What else? A ship. What else? Submarine. Good job, submarine. Do you know where is submarines at? Underwater. The submarines, they are going to travel underwater, deep underwater. Good job, you are clever. So, ship. A ship is a vehicle that travels on the bodies of water. It is a big, for example, a cargo ship. Cargo ship carries an oil tank or trades or foods that travels from one place to another. It's consume also a less fuel energy compared to the other transportation. Now, let's moving on to the air transportation. An air transportation is a transportation that travels in the sky, okay? That travels on the air. Like for example, airplane. What else? Helicopter. What else? Oh, hot air balloon. Very good. So, airplane, it is a transportation that travel from one country to another. So most of the people right now, they like to travel from different country to another. Like for example, here in Thailand, okay? Some people, they travel from Thailand to Hong Kong, to USA, to London, to Vietnam. They travel for holidays or vacation, and it's easy, right? And then you can also book a ticket ahead of time so that you can get a cheaper ticket. All right. So train, guys. Okay, do you know train, where the train belongs? Which mode of transportation the train belongs? Very good. A train belongs on the land transportation. All right. Train can travel or carry people from one places to another. Train travels long distance. All right. So train travels on the railroads or railways. Now here in Bangkok, okay, there are different types of train. Okay, railroads, like this kind of trains, railroads that travel long distance, for example, from here in Bangkok up to Chiang Mai, right? They use the railroad, but it takes time. Sometimes travel long hours from 8 hours to 12 hours, right? Overnight. But here in Bangkok, there are three types of train. An electronic train. Can you tell me? And can you tell me an example? Give me an example. An electronic train that travels here in Bangkok. And then it's very convenient for everyone. Students, teachers, office workers, and travelers. Because they avoid traffic, right? So can you give me an example here in Bangkok? Oh, BTS. Correct. Clap your hands. What else? MRT. That's correct. What else? Anyone? Anyone? Do you have any idea? All right. I'm going to give you a hint. What do you call an electronic train that travels from Bangkok going to the airport. If you are going to travel direct to the airport and it's easy and inconvenient, what will be you use? Do you have any idea? It starts with from the word airport. What is it, guys? That's correct. Very good. It's an airport link. Okay, this electronic train, it travels direct to the airport. So most of the people take this type of electronic train when they are, most of the people are using the passengers when they are going to travel from one country to another to avoid traffic jam, right? And here in Bangkok, you call it traffic jam. All right. So before we are going to end up our lesson for today, I'm going to ask you any question or a few questions from you guys. Now, okay, what is your name? Can you please stand up? Yes. So, how do you get to school? By car. All right. So you came here. You go to school by car. And how long it takes for you to travel from your home to the school? 5 minutes. That's very nice. Okay, 5 minutes. How about you, Miles? How do you get to school? By motorcycle? Oh, with only you? Only you or with your mother? Oh, you ride motorcycle with the motorcycle driver. And how much would you pay? 10 baht. Oh, that's nice. How about you, Lily? How did you get to school? Oh, by bus. Oh, where do you live? How long would you travel to school? Oh, about 30 minutes. All right. So, are you happy with our lesson for today, guys? Do you have any question? Okay. Oh, it's good to hear that one. So, do you have any clarification? Do you understand our lesson for today? Really? Oh, I'm happy for that. All right. So our next lesson for next week would be a surprise. Okay, but I'm going to give you some homework. Okay, since our lesson for today is all about transportation, so now I want you to make a project for me. Okay, like for example, you can choose the 3 categories: a land transportation, a water transportation, or an air transportation. You can make using a paper. Okay, you can make an airplane, a bus. What else? A car, ship, using a paper, and that's gonna be your project. And for our next lesson or our next meeting, you are going to show it to me. All right, guys? All right. So, no more question? No more clarification? Oh, it's good to hear that one. All right, everybody. Clap your hands and can you please everybody stand up? All right. Bye. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.